Today I am reviewing the OnePlus 13R. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The OnePlus 13R is a remarkable smartphone that blends cutting-edge technology with sleek design, creating an experience that feels both premium and intuitive. Right at its core, this device is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, a powerhouse that delivers incredible speed, efficiency, and performance. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking across multiple apps, the OnePlus 13R handles everything with ease. Apps launch instantly, animations feel fluid, and even the most demanding mobile games run smoothly without noticeable lag or stuttering. Paired with 12 gigabytes of RAM, the phone ensures seamless multitasking. You can switch between apps, browse the web, and run complex software without a hint of slowdown. The 256 gigabytes of internal storage offers ample space for all your photos, videos, apps, and files, making this device not only fast, but also practical for everyday use. With dual SIM support, you can manage both personal and work numbers on a single device, a convenience that adds flexibility for frequent travelers or busy professionals. The OnePlus 13R's battery life is another standout feature. Featuring a large 6,000 mAh battery, this phone easily lasts through a full day of heavy usage. From gaming sessions to video streaming and social media browsing, the device keeps up without constantly needing a recharge. When you do need a boost, the 55W SUPERVOOC fast charging comes to the rescue, replenishing the battery quickly so you can get back to what matters most in just a short amount of time. Visually, the OnePlus 13R impresses with its 120Hz ProXDR display. The screen is incredibly smooth, with fluid scrolling, responsive touch, and vibrant colors that make gaming, watching videos, and browsing a delight. The high refresh rate combined with HDR capabilities ensures sharp, lifelike visuals, whether you're catching up on a favorite series or enjoying the latest mobile game. The display also offers excellent brightness and contrast, making it easy to use even in bright outdoor conditions. The design of the OnePlus 13R is sleek and sophisticated. The Nebula Noir finish gives the phone a modern, stylish look while remaining comfortable to hold. It feels durable yet lightweight, striking the perfect balance between elegance and practicality. Every curve and edge has been thoughtfully designed for optimal ergonomics, ensuring that the phone feels as good in your hand as it looks in the light. Connectivity is also a highlight of this device. With 5G support and Wi-Fi 7 compatibility, you get ultra-fast internet speeds wherever you are. Streaming, downloading, and online gaming are smooth and uninterrupted, giving you a reliable connection for work or play. This, combined with a powerful processor and ample memory, makes the OnePlus 13R a future-proof device for years to come. In summary, the OnePlus 13R is a perfect blend of performance, design, and battery endurance. From its powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and generous 12 gigabytes RAM to the stunning 120Hz ProXDR display and large 6,000 mAh battery, this smartphone delivers an exceptional experience for gaming, content creation, and everyday use. Add in fast charging, dual SIM support, and modern connectivity options, and you have a device that is as versatile as it is stylish. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a mobile gamer, or a professional looking for a reliable and powerful smartphone, the OnePlus 13R checks all the boxes and then some.